testing out strip placement down here by the exhaust, and I keep running into this issue where no matter where I put them, there's a certain angle where you can actually see the source of light. So you can see the LEDs right there. And I like this placement, I just don't like how you can see the light source, so I'm gonna try something a little bit different back here. This is what an R1 looks like with a naked bum. So now you can see I've marked where I'm gonna cut. Get some holes in there. All right, I got the first hole drilled right there. About to work on the second one. It's not perfect, but that doesn't matter. It's gonna be hidden behind the exhaust, so you can see it's a little curved, but I think once there's light going through it, I don't think it'll really matter. Let's do the second one now. 2 holes are now pretty much finished. See in there. And I got my stencil for the next ones. I've decided I'm gonna do an additional 2 smaller ones down here, so I'll start cutting those. All right, I got the 2 smaller pieces cut here and here. And they're pretty good. Not perfect, but good enough. So now I'm gonna cut some of this acrylic and sand both sides and use it to cover these spots, and then the LEDs will sit right behind it and shine through. All right, just to demonstrate what the frosted effect does, you can see these LEDs here. All right, so I've made some good progress. So wired in here, this is where the turn signals are. This extra wire for the license plate light that isn't used anymore because I don't have a license plate light. Clips in and brings power into my voltage regulator right here. And then the regulator brings a clean 12 volts right here, this yellow and black wire, into the Arduino. And also, I just have like a power rail in here. And so that also brings power to the LEDs and stuff. And I have my first ones set up. There they are. So the LEDs are right back here. They're just taped in, glued in to the acrylic back there. So they are flush with the surface. All right, we got both strips installed now, the start of both strips at least. There and here. And we can show that they are both functioning. Which is cool. So this tail section is done. And also I know that my logic controller is installed right and my power supply is working well. So got a good start.